Dad with the first fish of the day?
Did you get him on that deal?
Yep.
Really? Oh yeah, I got it. Awesome. Both of them times to come out of the water.
I think it's a hatchery. I can see it turned around here. Here. I knew I was going to do that. Barry, cut your line.
What is that?
Get your hook out of the water. It's on my hook. It's on my rock. There you go. Oh, that's wild. Yeah, that's wild. Take the rod.